Mar ngima ma bende okel koda midhiero mar oula mano ywero kor gwenge mathoth e pacho ka ema koro iseyo kuom kelo medruok e kwan familia modak e bombe kata street families e bombe mathoth ma pacho ka. Kaluwore koda riwruok mochung'ne gayo familia modak e bombe Nairobi, Kakamega, Eldoret kod Nakuru, e bombe man gi kwan mamalo ma familia modak e bombe kata street families. Maeri biro tok riwruogno chuogo okenge mageto nono achiedh nade ma familia modak e bombe kale kod yore mag gologi e bombe. Kaluwore kod jatend riwruok mano Caroline Towet, kweno mar oganda manotim higa mar 2018 noyango ni familia modak e bombe gin 46,000 ka kwan no osemedore nyadipar nyaka sani.
These are people who are composed of children, the elderly and the youth. And the figures for children then were 15,000. That's in Nairobi alone. And in other major cities like Eldoret, Nakuru, Mombasa, Kakamega also we had quite a number. It is right now due to the economic hard times, many people are flocking to the streets.
This policy, what are we saying? It's going to say about all the street families, women over 18, so that we can help them. The government, they are the one who are giving the money to help these street families.
According to the budget of the government, the national government, we want to bring together all the stakeholders and ensure that they participate in the issues of ensuring that there is a reduction of street families within our city, within our towns. We have been told in the major towns where we have a lot of street